Hello everyone, welcome back on Search Creator YouTube channel. In previous video, we will discuss about question number 1A, means define machine learning and its relationship other fields. So in the below description box, I will give the link this video, previous video. So in that found very helpful links like our website and 6th semester main and Telegram channel also, and our WhatsApp group link also, and follow us on more update for Instagram. Okay, so now we're going to discuss about 1B. The question is explain different types of machine learning with Nate diagram. So the VTU asked, so explain different types of machine learning, with Nate diagrams. Means what are the types are there machine learning? Explain in detail. So the diagram are like this. You need to write like this only. The first you need to first box in the machine learning means what you give the topic is machine learning. So here and in that divided by four types. One is supervised learning, and second one is unsupervised learning, and third one is semi-supervised learning and reinforced learning. I hope you can learn from the model one from your regular classes. In this video, I'm going to explain in very shortly. Means what are the questions are given, video asked, and also how to write the questions in exams. I will discuss in this video. And in that supervised learning, they categorized into two types. One is classification and the second one is regressions. This is the two types in the supervised learning. And unsupervised learning, they are classified into three types. One is cluster analysis, association mining, and dimension reduction. You can write this like this only. It is also available in your textbooks also, and figure name you need to write the figure name also, like these types of machine learning. This type you can write. And also, so machine learning types is they categorize it to four types like this. So namely as supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and third one is reinforcement learning, and fourth one is semi-supervised learning, mix of supervised and unsupervised learn. Okay na? So and the next part is supervised in depth. We can also discuss in depth one by one. The first one is supervised learning. It can learn from the label data. Means if you provide the animals like cats or dogs some money data, it will learn from what you give in from the label is there na. So that you can this learn from the label data, input and output pairs. And the next, predict output from the noun data. It is saying the predict output from the noun data. Example, classifying animals as a cat or dogs. I will already said like this. Means imagine if you provide cats or dogs set of data set and with the label. Means it is a cat name, and a dog name, like this label is there na. So you can provide in the supervised machine learning. It will learn from the only what you give. Machine learning means label is cat, like this you can provide it here in the label. It can learn from the what you here give is na. So it on. Next, classification algorithms. In that supervised learning, classification algorithms is logistic regression, SVM algorithm, and decision tree algorithm, and KNN means K nearest neighbor algorithm, and random forest and navy bias. All these things you can learn from the regular classes. I hope you know these things. And the next, regression algorithms is linear regression, polynomial regression, ridge, lasso algorithm, and random forest algorithm. I hope you know this also. And next, advantages. Advantage you can write this also. If you explain in depth one by one, you can write advantages, disadvantages, application, and what are the used algorithms. You can in depth. you can write. Okay, here in the advantages, high accuracy, it is the main advantage. And second one is interpretable result. You can interpretable result see in this algorithm regression supervised learning. Next, suitable for pre-trained model. I hope you know these things also, maybe. And also next, disadvantages is requires a large labeled data set, struggle with unseen data. This is the main drawback or disadvantage of this supervised machine learning. Require large label data set means if you provide cats or dog data set, it will acquire the more number of large label data set like that. And also it will also usage in the regular means real world application is spam detection. Applications is spam detection and medical diagnosis, like if you diagnosing what is the, if you provide an image, it will diagnosis automatically using. If you know these things also means in any medical field these usage. And also next, image or speech recognition. I hope you know this thing, this application also in regular daily basis. And fraud detection, I hope you this application also in you may know. The next, weather forecasting means daily regularly using this weather forecasting. And stock predictions, I hope you this application also you use the daily life stock prediction. And credit scoring, every human being using these things. Next, second machine learning type is unsupervised learning. It is also learn from the unlabeled data. Means supervised machine learning is learn from the labeled data. This unsupervised learning learn from the unlabeled data. Be carefully, you can write differences. And next, discovers the hidden pattern or structure. It means it will discover, it will uh, uncovers the means covers the discovers the hidden patterns. An example, grouping of customers by behaviors like this. And clustering algorithms is K means algorithm, DB scan, mean shift, PCA, I hope you ICA, I hope you all these things, all these algorithm you can read it from first model in regular classes. And the next, associations algorithm is appropriate a priori, FP growth, ECLAT. These association algorithm, these things are association algorithm. And next, advantages, it will unsupervised advantages, no label data needed, it is the main advantage. And the second advantage is find unknown patterns, means you can need not to know everything. Unknown patterns is also finds good for explorations, good for exploration, good for exploration. And this is all the main advantage. And the next, disadvantages, this is the disadvantage of the hard to interpret. This is the main drawback of this algorithm. This machine learning type may hard to interpret, may produce unclear grouping, means so it produce the unclearing, is not know how to producing clearly, or clearly predicting the data set. And like this, it produce the unclear grouping. Okay, next, in what is the main daily usage, this applications is customer segmentation. This also in daily regular use the every fields, customer segmentation in business fields. And the next, market basket analysis, this also every uh, food mart, means every food mart or any mart like is there now, so daily needed market. So here that usage. And anomaly detection, this also every business users is usage. And genomics, these are the application. And image compression, this is also every human being in present day usage image in compressions and recommendations. This is very mandatory to using the daily life, like book my show and any Netflix like this application. And the next third one is reinforcement algorithm, reinforcement machine learning. Sorry, reinforcement machine learning. Learn from the first point you can write, learn through interaction with, learn from the learn through the interaction with the environment using rewards and penalties. This is the point, learn through interaction with environment using rewards or penalties. Okay, the goal is maximizing long term rewards. This is the goal, maximizing long term rewards, long term, maximizing long term reward. Example, AI learning to play chess. You can also, you are already play chessing, so I hope you know this example and goal. And next, types of positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement in chessboard is there now. So like this chessboard, so here you can play a game like this. Okay, so I hope you know these things. And next, algorithms is q learning, SARSA, deep Q learning, DQN. These are all the algorithms of the reinforcement algorithm machine learning. And advantages: handle the dynamic environment, good for the long term strategy. It is a main advantage. Can outperform humans, can outperform humans. So regularly we using these reinforcement algorithm. Disadvantages: every machine learning types having the advantages and disadvantages. This also having the disadvantages, require lots of data, means it having it requires the lots of data, means huge data, time and processing time and computing power, also means efficiency power. These are all the disadvantages. And applications: game, AI, self-driving cars like Tesla cars, robotics. Already I hope you see these robotics and chatbots, daily usage, chat GPT and other AI tools. And finance means you can also usage like every business owners, and healthcare treatment planning, daily usage every doctors like nurses in advanced hospitals. These are all about reinforcement machine learning, and these are all about the mm, main types of machine learning. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we're going to discuss about question number 2a.